Welcome to this CMG video. Today's video is another video on my Mini, and I'm going to replace the wheel bearings. As you can see, I've gone ahead, I've taken out the wheel bearing. I'm just going to show you real quick what needs to be done to take out the wheel bearings. I'm going to replace them both. I've got a replacement part, and I'll show you the part, and I'll put the link in the description where I purchased them from. Again, so first thing you want to do is you want to take out your brake caliper, which the bracket sits here. So there's two 13 mil bolts in the back. So just take those out, and you'll be able to slide the whole brake caliper out and just put it on top of a little stand there, just so it doesn't put any pressure on the brake cables. So this is the wheel bearing. As you can see, it only goes one way. There's got a little notch here where it goes, and it just goes like that. And that's also has four 13 mil bolts. And what I've done is I sprayed a little bit of penetrating thing just in the front, because that is where it's a little bit rusty, but they're not on very tight. So if you just take those out, well, before you get to that, you'll need to take out the disc. So the disc is held in by a little screw, and it's a 50T. It's not very tight. So take that out, so that way it gives you access to the wheel there. And like I said, take those four bolts out. Just be careful, you don't have to take out the sensor. You can see the sensor there. I've already cleaned this a little bit. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, and then I'm just going to put them in. So to show you, here is my replacements. I'm going to do both sides. I'm going to do both sides, and here's the replacement. So I got them from this supplier, and I will put a link in the description to where you get them. They're pretty decent quality parts, 2-year warranty. So I'm going to replace both of them. I'm just going to open one up just to show you that it's a pretty decent quality. So as you can see, and it comes with the bolts with it, so you replace the new bolts with it. And as you can see here, it's pretty decent quality. It's just a connection here, as you can see. And as you can see from the old one, pretty rusty, so I might as well replace them. The car has 145,000 miles, so I'm going to go ahead and replace them. I'm going to go ahead and clean that a little bit, and then just put it in there. So like I said, it's going to go just like that. As you can see, perfect fit. Clean it up a little bit. The other thing is, you just need to torque the bolts in the back, and what I will do is, at the end on the description, I will put the torquing specs for these 13 bolts, for the brake caliper bolts, the bracket, and also the carrier bolts for the brakes. So I will put the torque. Again, it's not very hard, and I mean, you might as well do both of them on both sides, because that way, the car will run better, and you won't get that thumping noise anymore in the back. So again, thanks for watching my videos. Check out some of the other videos I have. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.